rechts abbiegen auf Westrot.
Good morning everyone, welcome to another video. Today is another special day because we're at Durdle Door. I know a lot of the subscribers has been asking us to go to Durdle Door. We're finally here and it's just after the COVID lockdown is lifted. And I don't know, I think we're getting ourselves into some kind of a trouble because there's just so many people here and we're kind of leading a group that we're not sure where to go, to be honest, but everyone is following us because we seem to be leading the way. Hopefully this is the right way to Durdle Door. It seems like you still have to hike quite a bit after you park your car. It's not like Seven Sisters where you just park your car at Berlin Gap and then immediately you get access to the beach. It's not that way, so yeah, just be prepared to hike, guys. There are just so many people, guys. Yeah, we were worried this is gonna happen, but it seems like our worries are all true. Oh well. But we were immediately rewarded with a magical view of the sea. It has been a long time since I had last been to a proper seaside, so this moment is really special for me. And this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is Durdle Door itself. It's actually a natural limestone arch that is situated on the Jurassic Coast in Dorset. Isn't it amazing, guys? So welcome guys to Jurassic Coast Durdle Door. Yeah, it's very beautiful. It's just the amount of people you can see here. Like, look at that, there's a queue of people over there. Huge queue to go to the beach. All the way from the top, all the way down. But the sea is blue as ever. Beautiful, exactly what I need. And it looks like a sandy beach, I'm not sure. Or is that a pebble beach? I hate pebble beach, by the way. So yeah, hopefully it's a sandy beach and we're just gonna jump into the water. We made it!
Yeah, come over this side. Thank you.
No! It's pebble beach! No!
Tadi lupa saya beli apa gitu dulu. Iya, oh iya betul ya.
Actually, I would, but I forgot the towel.
The water? And it's now time to jump into the sea! Alright, no trace left behind except for some flattened ground. Oh man, gotta leave this beautiful place. Goodbye. There seems to be a few coves around here, and this cove right behind me, which is Durdle Door, is just over there just now. And this other cove here, for some reason the waves are calmer. So if you're here and you're planning to swim, I do not recommend the one at Durdle Door because the waves are so strong. Waters are very cold. Just because it's summer and it's warm doesn't mean that the water is gonna be warm. It's actually really, really cold. But yeah, pretty nice. You dry up really instantly, so you don't even need to bring a towel if you do jump in. But this place, so beautiful. The water is so blue, so clear, so clean. Love it. Overall, this is a really beautiful place, and as a Southeast Asian, I would highly recommend this place, even for Southeast Asians, despite the fact that we have nicer beaches back home. But yeah, I guess that's the end of the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose life, choose the adventure. Don't forget us.